Hey everybody, this is Todd. Just giving you an update. Trying to make my SWS Crash YouTube channel grow a little bit more. Currently, where I'm living at, I have no internet, so I can't upload anything there. So I used to make videos on my Xbox and my PC, but I'm unable to do that at the moment, and I got the hell of a black mark on my nose, don't I? Yes, I do. Joys of being a mechanic, I guess. But yeah, I'm working 40 some hours a week on doing mechanic work, inspection mechanic at a restoration shop, body shop, and mechanic shop not too far from my house. Making damn good money, so I can't complain there. If my YouTube and stuff takes off to where I can create videos every day and have something come up every day, to where it'd be sufficient enough to be my main income, that'd be great. I know I can't, well, I can't, it's not that I can't, I'm unable to have people help me right now making videos and stuff like that, and I do need help with somebody for editing, because I've looked at a couple different editing softwares. I've tried to figure a couple out, and for the life of me, something so simple I can't do. But hope you liked the video. Check you in the next one. Later.